What's up, guys? Got the new Dawn of Majesty here. You see, we get the entire set, includes 50 common cards, 26 supers, 14 ultras, and 10 secret rares. So this was kind of pre-release event. So excited to open these up, kind of see what we can get off of this. We had a great King's Court opening. So let's see if it'll carry over for 2 sets. So there's just the box art again. Get opened. Maybe. There we go. Bang. So first pack, here we go. 9 cards per pack. Oh, there we go. Flip it the right way. And you guys get the entire set on there again. So here we go. First pack. All right. First up, we've got this Guncan Shipyard or Sioux Shipyard Seaside Supply Spot. That's a mouthful. We got Despia Theater of the Branded. Here is Glacier Aqua Mador. We got DDD Different Dimension Derby. We got our super here. We got Link Apple. Here is Stardust Trail. What is this? Chronomaly Temple. Is this Trillathon, something. We got Shinobi Insect Hagakuramino or something. Here in final card, we've got Goki Finishing Move. So there you have it, guys. Brand new Dawn of Majesty. First pack opening for you. I will leave price in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you next time.